Hi guys. Okay, so welcome to my channel. If you don't know me, if you don't follow me on social media, my name is Kianna and I'm a stay-at-home mom. I have two young kids, 2 and under, and my husband works full-time, so it's just usually me at home. But I have been wanting to do this for a very long time. I've just kind of had some reserves. Like, I've kind of just held back because I didn't want people to like judge me and like say these things. Like, I know how people can get on YouTube and things of that nature, so I kind of have always just held back. But I feel like this is something that another thing that I am being led to do. I feel like there's so many changes in my life right now, and I'm just going with it. I'm learning to just let go of the fear and just let God. So here we are. We're doing this whole YouTube thing. I'm really going to try to be consistent with it. So I just kind of wanted to make an introductory video and say hi, hello. I'm from the Midwest, and so what you can look for on this channel is kind of a lot of home stuff. I'm really into home stuff. We own our own home. We've been here for 2 years now. Now this won't be our forever home. We're kind of growing out of it quickly, but as of right now, this is our home that we own, and I really love doing projects and things of that sort. I always have loved home decor and decorate with me, clean with me, all those type of videos. So that is what I would be filming, and then every once in a while I think I will pop on here and do some cooking and just chats and things of that nature. I feel like I don't really want to put my kids too much. I don't want to like base my content off of my children. That's something that I don't want to do. So anyways, that is what you will be looking that is what you can expect from me and from this channel. But you know, there's no better time than now. I always preach you will never be ready. There will never be a perfect time, so let's just do it. Let's face our fears and really do the things that we want to do this year. So I hope that you guys will stick around and join me on this journey. I know it's going to be a lot, another thing to put on my plate and another thing that I'm gonna have to learn, but I'm willing to take this risk and step outside of my comfort zone to do the things that I really want to do this year. So anyways, if you watch this video, thank you so much for watching. I hope you'll subscribe. If you want to follow me on Instagram, I'll have my handle linked down below. But with that being said, I'll see you guys soon.